Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News. Is Drone Shield wins $5.2 million European defense order for handheld counter-drone systems. Drone Shield has secured a $5.2 million follow-on contract from an in-country European reseller, required to supply its handheld counter-drone systems to a European military customer. The company said all hardware is already on the shelf, and cash payment is expected in the fourth quarter of 2025. The reseller has worked with Drone Shield for 3 years and, excluding the new order, has placed 12 contracts worth more than $70 million. Drone Shield confirmed that it does not regard the identity of the counterparty or end user as information that would materially affect the value of its securities. The company stated that the announcement contains all information needed for investors to assess the impact of the contract and is not misleading by omission. It also noted that in 2026, the threshold for announcing received orders will rise from the current $5 million to $20 million, unless there is a clear rationale to publicize a smaller contract. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.